If you ever tried to stream to TikTok from OBS, you know that TikTok does not give you a stream key like YouTube or Twitch or even Facebook. So today I'm going to show you how to do it, or how I do it without the stream key and without any other websites that you have to stream to and they stream for you and all of that. I'm not going to show you all of that. So what I'm going to show you, you will be streaming from your own PC straight to TikTok, and you will be able to multi-stream to YouTube, Twitch, or even Facebook if you are those kind of people. The first thing you're going to need, you will need to download OBS. If you don't have, you need OBS. Go to obsproject.com and download OBS. So if you're on Windows, choose Windows. If you're on Mac, choose Mac. And then once OBS is installed, then you'll have to download Aitum Multistream. This plugin, this is what will help us stream from OBS to TikTok Live Studio. Type that on Google, Aitum Multistream, and then click on the first link. It will take you to OBS projects, but then on the page where you can download the Aitum Multistream. On the right, you'll see go to downloads. Click on that and the Aitum Multistream will start downloading. And then from there, install it, and then you have it. And you have to download TikTok Live Studio. That is important because that is what TikTok accepts. Obviously, it's their own product. So you have to download that as well. So what we're going to do, we will stream from OBS to TikTok Studio, and then TikTok Studio will then stream to TikTok. Just go to Google, type TikTok Live Studio, click on the first one and then download. There's only one for Windows. You don't have one for Mac. If you're using a Mac, I don't know. Now open OBS. So when you open OBS, you will see now you have like a horizontal canvas and a vertical canvas. The vertical canvas, that is what we need to send to TikTok. Now, under that, under the vertical canvas, you will see a gear there. That will take you to settings. Go click on that. There will be a pop-up with settings. There, you will have to go to General. And then on the settings there, look for virtual camera. Make sure that is set to vertical. Not main, not both, to vertical. If you leave it on main, you'll just be sending your main canvas, which is the horizontal canvas. And that, or you'll struggle to fit it in a vertical canvas of TikTok Live Studio. If so, your OBS now is ready. Don't start the virtual camera from the main settings of OBS. Go under the vertical canvas. You will see an orange camera there. Click on that. That will start the vertical virtual camera of OBS. That is, now we are actually now sending a virtual camera to any application that wants to tap to it or wants to accept it. Even when, let's say, you are on Zoom or Teams, you're in a meeting, you could actually use that virtual camera as your webcam. So now we have that, it's ready. So we go to TikTok Live Studio. Let's go. Now open TikTok Live Studio. So when you are there, go to the camera that you will see on your left. Go to settings. There you should see, among all the other cameras that you might have at your computer, you will see OBS virtual camera. That is the one that you need to select if you want to take the feed from OBS. So you select that, you will see the vertical canvas from OBS on TikTok. And voila, you will now have the vertical canvas from OBS now on TikTok Studio, and you can stream to TikTok. But asibuye kancane, you still need to send audio to TikTok Live Studio because OBS doesn't send the audio from OBS via the virtual camera. You will have to select the microphone input that is plugged into your PC on the TikTok Live Studio application for your voice to get to TikTok. Like I said, OBS is not sending audio, so you'll have to get the audio straight from the mic. So on TikTok, under the canvas, you'll see the microphone and speakers there. So click on the settings there, and then the pop-up that you see, you will then see your microphone. Then on the drop down, select the microphone that is plugged into your PC and the one you're using. so that mic goes directly to the TikTok live studio. So if you are streaming to other platforms like YouTube, Kick, or Facebook, if you are one of those people, then you can still stream to those platforms on OBS. So you can go live using the TikTok live studio to TikTok, and then when you come back to OBS, you can still stream to other platforms. And always check if you have your audio on your platform. So always go to your platform, look at your stream, and make sure that you have everything. I've learned that the hard way. I streamed for almost 2 hours, and then the next day when I checked my stream, I found that I was echoing my audio, like I had two voices coming after the other. It must have been terrible for people who were trying to support me, trying to watch me. So always test your stream before you actually start streaming. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and you can drop a comment if you have any questions. So see you next time.